End Examination 2020, Code BLI 222. Question number 1. Which of the following is a secondary source of information? Options: journal, textbook, bibliography of bibliography, bibliography. Answer: bibliography. 2. Conference proceedings are considered as dash documents. Primary documents. Number 3. Facts on file can be grouped under secondary sources. Number 4. Preparation, service and assimilation are the main stages involved in reference service. Number 5. Encyclopedia Americana consists of 30 volumes. Number 6. A famous scientist died few years back. The user is looking for her or his details where he or she should head for. Biographical dictionaries. 7. Identify the primary document from the following. Options: bibliography, biography, autobiography, directory. Answer: autobiography. 8. Who categorized information source into conventional, non-conventional, macro and micro documents? S.R. Ranganathan. 9. What is the frequency of INB? Monthly. 10. An invisible college is a typical example of informal channels of communication. 11. An appropriate source to find out descriptive information is encyclopedia. 12. What is a patent? An agreement between the inventor and the government. 13. Evaluation of a reference source is essential in the libraries to know its usability and utility for the library. 14. The secondary source of information comprises of indexing and abstracting periodicals. 15. What is a trade bibliography? List of books in print or for sale compiled by a publisher. 16. Grey literature means unpublished documents. 17. A bibliography of Ossimum Sanctum or Indian Tulsi would be considered under which category of bibliography? Subject bibliography. 18. Bourne and Smith divided documents into 3 categories. 19. Reference service is the contact between the right reader and the right book in the right personal way, was stated by S.R. Ranganathan. 20. Which of the following is a primary source of information? Manuscript. 21. The International Patent Documentation Center, that is INPADOC, is situated in Vienna. 22. A researcher of biochemistry describing her or his research findings in an international conference is a primary information. 23. Which of the following resources are peer-reviewed? Trade journals. 24. Web of Science is a citation index. 25. The word dictionary is derived from the word dictionarium of dash language, Latin. 26. A reference book containing biographical sketches of living persons is called a Who is Who. 27. Who is the publisher of Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science? Marcel Decker. 28. Technological gatekeepers come under dash sources of information, non-documentary. 29. A dash is a collection of writings published in honor of a learned person, Festschrift. 30. Directory of Indian scientific periodicals is arranged according to UDC. 31. Dictionary of National Biography, that is DNB, was edited by S.P. Sen. 32. A written or printed version of material that was originally appeared in a different medium is known as transcript. 33. Laboratory notebooks are dash sources of information, primary sources. 34. The glossary, lexicon, thesaurus and vocabulary are various alternative names for dictionaries. 35. Which part of New Encyclopedia Britannica is useful for ready references? Micropedia. 36. Who categorized textbooks into tertiary category? Bone and Smith. 37. Selective dissemination of information has to be customer centric. 38. A dash is a long and serious piece of writing on a particular subject. Treatise. 39. Astronomer is a dash of information. Gatherer. 40. A collection of historical records is known as archive. 41. NICRYS stands for National Information Center for Crystallography. 42. Reviewer is a dash of information. Processor. 43. Learned societies are generally non-profit organizations. 44. Who is the author of Dictionary of Anonymous and Pseudonymous Literature? S. Halkett and J. Lane. 45. Compton Yearbook contains outstanding events. 46. PubMed Central, that is PMC, is full text database from US National Institute of Health. 47. What is National Bibliography? List of books published in a particular nation. 48. Who formulated standards of information literacy for higher education? Association of College and Research Libraries. 49. The ability to access, store, organize, transmit and use digital information effectively in various activities of life is known as digital information literacy. 50. The act of dividing market into meaningful parts, marketing segmentation. 51. You are looking for permissible carbon emission limit for petrol cars in India. Which of the resources would help you? Standards. 52. Progress service is offered by UMI. 53. Medline is online version of Medlas. 54. The demand for specific type of information requirements expressed by different categories of users is generally interpreted as user survey. 55. What is NRES? Is a search engine. 56. Extension workers are considered as dash of information, disseminators. 57. The term information service is an improvised name of reference service. 58. An information literate person can evaluate information and its sources critically, incorporate selected information into one's knowledge base, understand the economic, legal and social issues relating to the use of information, and access and use information ethically and legally. All of the above is the correct answer. 59. Who classified users of scientific and technical information? J.D. Bernal. 60. UNICEF is a program of UNESCO. 61. An abstract which is written for a specific group of users is known as critical abstract. 62. Gazetteers are popularly known as geographical dictionary. 63. Science only full text database offered by Elsevier is Science Direct. 64. In 1974, Zurkowsky used for the first time which of the following term? Information literacy. 65. Routing of periodicals is a current awareness service. 66. University's handbook is published by AIU. 67. Current contents is an example of alerting service. 68. Advances and progress are compiled from primary sources. 69. STI was first defined by H.P. Loon in the year 1961. 70. Indian Library Science Abstract is published by IASLIC. Thank you.